that those candidates came forward and they submitted their nomination papers, and in their nomination papers they first declared affiliation with PTI Nazariyati, and thereafter they withdrew that affiliation. And
PTI Nazariyati is a political party.
It was, my lord, with the symbol batsman.
But what about the ones who are PTI?
The others, there's just two.
Just two, no? They are.
My lord, two that the election commission has
go back to
the election commission has to apply the same rule across the board.
Yes, my lord.
What is that legal basis that applies to whatever they say 80 plus or 90 candidates? Can't just go by. What about the PTI itself? See, if the reason why I put that question to you about your non-disputed, by you I am meaning now PMLN, People Party, Parliamentarian, JFP, your non-disputed seats, because it seems to me that the root of the title is what is written on the nomination form. Now if X number of people wrote on their nomination form, we are PTI, along with supporting certificate, how did the election commission conclude, no, they are not PTI, which is at all material times a political party, but they are independent and therefore they are to be excluded, and therefore you go into what you have just said.
And if you can look at that thing if you can, adding to that, if you can look at that document, that will make it very clear. You mentioned while giving facts that on 4th of March 2024 returned candidates were announced. Can we look at that document, the result, where they treat these candidates as independent? And that's the starting point. Then how are they independent?
What's good enough for you has to be good enough for every political party.
Page 21 of the CMA filed by the Election Commission. That is how they are notified. Your Lordship, it goes on line.
Number? CMA?
CMA 5840.
Page 23. You see, this is the thing, the power single order, 10 petitions filed. This is this order, the 1st of March. Was this order?
No, this is the order, my lord, for the reserved seats. If your lordship is talking about the
actual candidates.
The actual candidates for all the NAs.
Because ECP just declares them to be independent on its own.
Yes.
That's the question. How?
Because in the nomination form, insofar as I am aware.
Could we look at the document first, whether the result so declares or not, because then there will be confusion.
There is let me look at it from another angle. Even if we take a candidate who has filed his nomination papers and has stated that I belong to a political party, the point where it's going to be decided is the 3 days after the notification. If on that particular date, that candidate who has declared himself to be from a political party opts to join another party, then the nomination papers, the declaration will be shadowed, and his option to join another party will take precedence. We take it that it is the declaration which will be the determining factor, and it can't be tilted. But we can't force a candidate to change their mind after the 3rd day once they've already given a declaration that they want to join another party.
मैं इसमें ऐड करता हूँ, if somebody gives a declaration of a party, affiliation certificate of any party, if somebody submits a certificate of a particular party, in my opinion, nobody has the right to change, to switch over to another party, because once it is declared that I belong to certain party, if he changes his affiliation and switch over to other party, this, in my opinion, may be a disqualification of defection. 63A1 تو یہی کہتا ہے نا کہ جب آپ ایک پارٹی, یہ اختیار تو دو افراد کے بیچ میں ہے، یعنی پارٹی اور کینڈیڈیٹ. پہلے دن جب 67 کے تحت آپ نامینیشن پیپر سبمٹ کرتے ہیں، ایک شخص پارٹی سے ریکویسٹ کرتا ہے کہ میں آپ کے، جسے ہم عام الفاظ میں ٹکٹ کہتے ہیں، آپ کے ٹکٹ پہ لڑنا چاہتا ہوں. پارٹی ایگری کرتی ہے، یس، ایفیلیشن سرٹیفکیٹ دے دیتی ہے. یہ دو پارٹیز کے درمیان ایگریمنٹ ہو گیا. اب نہ تو پارٹی اس سے بیک اپ کر سکتی نہ کینڈیڈیٹ کر سکتے. الیکشن کمیشن تو پکچر میں ان کو تو اختیار ہی نہیں ہے. یہ دو پارٹی کے ایگریمنٹ میں ہاؤ دا الیکشن کمیشن کمز. کیسے وہ کہہ سکتے ہیں کہ آپ آزاد ہیں، آپ فلاں پارٹی سے ہیں؟ یہ اختیار صرف اور صرف اس شخص کا ہے. وہ بھی ونس اٹ از سبمٹڈ پھر یہ اختیار دونوں کا ختم ہو جاتا ہے، پارٹی کا بھی اور اس کینڈیڈیٹ کا بھی. کیونکہ اگر وہ اس اختیار کو استعمال کرے کہ میں آج اس پارٹی کے ایفیلیشن سے ہوں، کل دوسری میں جاؤں گا، تو وہ 63A میں آئے گا. میری اسسمنٹ یہ. تو اس لیے جب پہلی مرتبہ ڈاکومنٹ سبمٹ ہوتے ہیں، الیکشن کمیشن کا صرف اور صرف یہ اختیار ہے کہ ان کے سامنے نامینیشن پیپرز ہیں، انہیں صرف چیک کرنا ہے کہ جس پارٹی کے ساتھ، جس کینڈیڈیٹ کے ساتھ ایفیلیشن سرٹیفکیٹ ہے. فارم 33 اگر آپ دیکھ لیں رول 56(1) کے تحت فارم 33 فرسٹ اسٹیج پہ بنتا ہے، ون فائنل لسٹ از ایشوڈ. اس میں باقاعدہ لکھا جاتا ہے کہ اس کی ایفیلیشن کس پارٹی سے ہے. یہ انڈیپینڈنٹ ہے. یہ تو ڈیفائنڈ ہے انڈیپینڈنٹ کون ہوتا ہے اور پارٹی ایفیلیشن کون ہوتا ہے.
You are very quiet, Mr. Makhdoom Ali Khan.
Lord, I'm listening.
Form 33.
The questions.
Form 33 دیکھیں سر.
I have it before my lord.
This is the first, the list of candidates, contesting candidates. ہم تو بعد میں جا رہے ہیں، الیکشن کے بعد کی باتیں. تو پہلے یہ تیار ہونا ہے. کیا اس لسٹ میں کیا بتایا گیا کہ کون کس پارٹی سے ہے؟
مخدوم صاحب،
You don't want to respond to anything, Mr. Makhdoom.
یہ دو کوشچن سے ریلیٹڈ یہاں پہ یو سی there is another fact, undisputed fact, that the constitutional body Election Commission, through an order dated 2nd of February 2024, declared all of them not as candidates of a political party but independents. Now that's an order of the Election Commission. They have declared them as independents and they were not left with any choice.
My lord, the issue over here is that these persons who got elected and elected as independent members and were notified as that notification.
ایک سیکنڈ my lord نے جسٹس یایا فریدی اور جسٹس بندو خیل دونوں نے کہا، and as earlier جسٹس منیب صاحب نے، the determinant factor is the election nomination paper. But if there's an erroneous decision of the Election Commission not accepting those nomination papers and declaring all those members as independent, this entire controversy stems from that order, in which order they have grossly misinterpreted this court's judgment. Now, why should the people be prejudiced for something which the Election Commission did not perform with, speaking for myself, its duty in accordance with the Constitution?
My lord,
مخدوم صاحب دیکھ لیجیے کہ کیا کسی کینڈیڈیٹ نے نامینیشن فارم جمع کروانے کے بعد یہ کہا ہے کہ میں اپنی ایفیلیشن سے withdraw کر رہا ہوں؟
Yes, my lord, those were the two forms I was pointing out which have been filed by the Election Commission.
But that was after the acceptance of the nomination papers.
My lord, the papers are accepted because, may I just show to your lordship the form?
And we have the total number of candidates that we're talking about. You're referring to only two people.
My lord, I am going by the record of the Election Commission.
So the total number, because to my mind, the question really is that on 4th of March, the ECP itself goes ahead, announces a result saying that you're independent.